Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to create an AI chatbot with Zapier. First, you'll have to go and open Zapier and log in into your account. Then you should navigate to the left side here on chatbots, tap on it, then go and click on start your free trial, or simply click on upgrade chatbots and add here any name, then click on create. And now you will have to add some logic. So go to logic on the left side, then go and click on collect leads. So I'll simply click on collect leads, and I wanted to collect only the text and email. So I will remove these things, and you should click on this option right here and click on when certain keywords are used, then click on save and create it. So now here I will type I need to talk to someone and hit the enter button. And here I will add the name. Let's say Zain Eldin Mahmoud. This is the name. And now I've also added my email, then typed it right here, and it will tell me thank you for providing your information, Zain. And now I'll head to tables, just like so. And here in the tables, you will find the value name and the email, just like so. So simply click on automate your data, then click on a record is created, and that is it. And now you can simply click on linked assets, then go back to Zaps and click on the first option that you will get right here. Then now you can test it. So simply select an event. I will click on it, then click here email, just like so. Simply click on email, and this is it. This is how we can actually create an AI chatbot with Zapier. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.